Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time. It was a time of the year to take a break, have nice time with friends and family. I hope you also had a great time with your friends and family, and a very happy Christmas and a prosperous new year to everybody. And I hope it's the time to relax, rejuvenate and get back to work now. So today I'm going to do a hair mask video. So for a disclaimer, I just want to tell that I don't have the best of my hair after I moved to Germany. In India, if you would have known my previous videos, you would have known my hair was so healthy and so nice. But after I moved into Europe, my hair is so dry. I can't set my hair free whenever I'm going out, like especially in the winter. The hair kind of sucks all the moisture, like it want to have a drink or something, and then it just like freezes so much. So I have been trying quite a bit of hair mask and some natural products or something like this for my hair. I want to review some of my favorites and some of the things which I have done. Maybe it's useful for you or for your hair type. So I would want to say this kind of hair mask are mainly for the normal hair to curly hair, or the people who have my type of hair, which is kind of a straight here and slightly curly in the down. So I have all of my mask in this little jar here. The first hair mask which I absolutely love is from brand DM. It's their Alverde Natural Cosmetics brand, and this is the Repair Hair Butter Bio Avocado and Shea Butter. This is mainly for the splitty or the frizzy or wild hair. So this is their thickest butter hair mask, and it has avocado and shea butter. Both are known for its intensive moisturizing properties, so hence I highly recommend this. And Alverde is known for its natural cosmetics, and they do not have any harmful chemicals which could harm your hair. And the smell is so refreshing, you guys. I mean, this smell stays on your hair, and it really smells so fresh, and the butter itself is so thick, you guys. Though they recommend it to use after towel dried hair, but I wouldn't recommend this on the towel dried hair, because then it would be so difficult to spread this mask onto your hair, because this mask is so thick like butter. So I would say just squeeze out the hair after shampooing and then use this butter hair mask. You can leave it for 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and that's it. Then you can wash it off, not like completely rinse off, but partially or off, and leave a little bit of it to be there on the hair, and then just go on with your normal styling. So this is so amazing. I have been using this for such a long time, and this works really well. And whenever I use this, my hair is so soft and shiny, and you know, it tries to weigh down a little bit, and it's really amazing hair mask. Please give it a try. So my second favorite mask, I mean, I love this as much as I love this Alverde mask, is this Mani Moisture Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry and damaged hair. So this mask was recommended to me by one of my friend. She has this beautiful curly hair, and it maintains so well on her. So this one here says Mani Moisture starts with a unique blend of aloe vera juice and with infused pure coconut oil. This also say it has no minerals, no silicones, no SLS, no sulfates, no synthetic dye. It's a vegan. It has pure coconut water and pure aloe vera juice. The smell of this is so fruity, and also it leaves some kind of scent on your hair, which is really nice. And this is not as thick as the Alverde one, but however, I would recommend it to use on a towel dried hair, or just after shampooing, just after you squeeze out the excess water on your hair. So this also I would recommend to leave for about 5 minutes and then rinse it off. So what I normally do to use this hair mask is I first shampoo, and then I squeeze out the excess water. I leave this conditioner on, and then I put a bun on my head, and then I roam around the house with like a cloth around my head so that the water wouldn't fall on my body. And then I wash after like 7 minutes or 10 minutes. And the second category is, they're like okay kind of mask, is this Balea Oil Repair Hair Mask. So this comes in a light pink package like this, and you get quite a good amount of quantity here. And Balea is one of the best brands of DM, which is also good at the price point. And this also is recommended from the OCO test, and it got a review of sehr gut, so which means really good from the customer. So this is like a OCO test is a brand which does testing on the products and take customer reviews. So this is also approved by Ocotis. If you have a not so much dry hair, but you know, a little bit of dryness on your hair and you want to really good with the price point, then this is of course a nicest mask you can try. This also comes with a range of shampoo and conditioner of the same thing package. I've also used the conditioner, it's really great. The next thing which I tried is this really hyped living proof restore hair mask. I mean, I have seen many of the bloggers talk about this really works great for many of the people out there, but it didn't do anything on my hair. I mean, this is such a waste of money, you guys, for my hair especially. This says that it deeply nourishes and reverses damage, etc., and it doesn't say it's natural or anything, so it's really on the expensive range. I got it like for about 30 euros or something, or 40 euros. I haven't used much of it. Oops. This is also very thick, so do not use it on the towel dried hair. Just use it like a normal conditioner after shampooing. Smells really fresh. I really love this smell. It's really so fresh and also have a slight scent on your hair after you wash. So I really like this about this particular mask. But this didn't do much on my hair. It's really thick and buttery, intensive, feels like intensive, but I couldn't see much of my results here. But also you could give it a try because a lot of people talk about this, and I think my hair doesn't like this mask that much. My first mask which I tried here, since I know the brand Garnier from India, so I thought this is the safest thing to try on. So I tried this Garnier Fructis Oil Repair Creme Wonder Butter in English. So this is just a 3-in-1 mask, and it's a 1-minute mask. 3-in-1 because you can use it like a conditioner, like a mask, and even after you dry your hair, just to conditioner, like a leave-in conditioner for your hair. So this is really good with the price point. You get it in all the drugstores in Germany. It also has, wow, it has really good scent to it, and I almost finished this jar. So it looks really buttery, really creamy, and not that thick. So you can use it as conditioner, leave-in serum or something like this. So this is like a day-to-day mask or a moisturizer. This is really good. You can use this in combination with the other hair mask also, which I have also tried. This works pretty good as a leave-in conditioner as well. This also says this is for sehr trocken and this is for very dry hair and the splitty or the frizzy hair. So this is really nice, and it has the jojoba and macadamia and mandel oil, which means almond oil, and triglyceride, shea butter. So it really promises that it has all the ingredients which are really known for moisturizing the hair. So I would really recommend this as my second most favorite category of the hair mask. So this really works well. I mean, I would say like it does the job. I've used multiple brands of shampoos and conditioners, but I always go back to one brand, which is again the Alverde brand. This and this mask are the same range. So this shampoo has no silicone or something like this. If you are a curly hair girl and you're doing this curly hair method where they recommend not to use silicones on your hair, then this shampoo or this range is absolutely your go, because this is such a good product on your hair with no harmful chemicals. They won't spoil your natural curly hair, and I would really recommend this. Sometimes I really like to use conditioner with a hair mask. I mean, I'm so crazy. But normally I eliminate conditioner as a hair care step because it doesn't do much on my hair. I do shampoo and then the mask. Because if you are a curly hair girl or you have a very dry damaged hair, then you can skip the conditioner, because if you are using a hair mask, it's anyways gonna add the extra moisture on your hair. So you don't need like a specific conditioner. You can really skip this and save some money there. Because I just wanted to try one of the conditioners of Maui, and I wanted to try this with their mask together. And this is their one level lower than this pink range. I mean, it also is an intense moisturizer, but not as much moisturizing as the pink range. This is mainly for the frizzy or unruly hair. This is how it looks. The Morning Moisture Care Smooth and Revive Vanilla Bean Conditioner for frizzy and unruly hair. This also says no silicones, no mineral oils, no sulfates. It's a vegan product. This smells absolutely delicious, like you are smelling some vanilla pastry. I mean, it's so divine and deliciously smelling moisturizer. I mean, it smells so delicious. Also, when you shower with this, the hair also gets this nice vanilla smell, which is really, really nice. This has this rich vanilla bean, creamy cocoa butter and lush cocoa nut oil. So all the ingredients which are listed here are also known for its intense moisturizing property. So I would suggest this also is a good conditioner. If you have a normal dry hair, then please give it a try. It's really, really nice. That's all in this video, guys. These are my absolute favorite hair mask or the conditioners or the shampoo which I tried and really love it. Now I have also tried many other brands, some of the hair mask and some of the hair mask for the hair growth, just for the heck of it, that I wanted to try after seeing a lot good reviews about it. And the mask which you get in the market, which has a lot of chemicals for the hair growth, please do not use it because they are absolutely bullshit. I always come back and use my natural homemade mask with yogurt or egg or yogurt or olive oil, which really works, which really intensely moisturizes my hair, which is so easy to make, and you just leave it onto your hair for 10 minutes and rinse it off. It's really easy to use and really natural, and your hair would really thank you for this. If you don't know how to use this naturally homemade hair mask, I will also link a video for it in somewhere in the eye icon. You can click and watch this. So that's it in this video, guys. I wish you all a great start for the new year, and I wish and hope all your new year wishes or the resolutions or goals might come true and you work hard to achieve them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.